Hello and welcome to the new video for the channel Bitcoin is Simple. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe right now so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. What was already very good is now even better. I don't know if you heard the news about the new ledger, the Ledger Nano X. That is the new version of the Ledger wallet, the famous Ledger wallet that is very famous because it's really awesome, it's very good and very secure. If you follow my channel, you will know that I'm a big fan of Ledger wallet, and in my opinion is the most secure way to store your cryptocurrency, and you cannot get hacked using Ledger wallet. And now they are releasing the new version of Ledger, that is Ledger Nano X. You probably know the Ledger Nano S, and now they are releasing the Nano X. The Ledger Nano X is even better than the previous version, and it also supports Bluetooth, so you can connect easily to your ledger without using cables. So it's very useful. I highly recommend that you get one, especially if you have a good amount of funds, a good amount of cryptocurrency, because it's the most secure way to store your cryptocurrency. And they also use a type of isolated chip, so your private key never goes online. As you probably know, your private key is the most important key to your funds, to your cryptocurrency. And using Ledger Nano, any type of Ledger Nano like Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X, your private key never goes online, so it's much more safe and secure instead of using, let's say, for example, a wallet from an exchange. That's not recommended to store your cryptocurrency in an exchange because they own your private key. When you are storing your cryptocurrency, let's say like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, if you store your cryptocurrency in an exchange, you're not the real owner of the cryptocurrency. So it means that the exchanges are the real owners of your cryptocurrency. So if you want to be the real owner and the only real owner of your cryptocurrency, I highly recommend that you get a Ledger Nano X, that is the new version. I will leave a link to the website, to the manufacturer website, so you can order your Ledger Nano X directly from their website. And of course, I don't recommend buying from third parties because you cannot be 100% sure that it will be the genuine version of the Ledger wallet. So I highly recommend that you buy only from the official website, their official website, that I'll leave the link right below this video. Please check it out and you can order your Ledger Nano X. I highly recommend that, and especially if you have a good amount of funds and you want to hold and you want to be safe and secure about that. Another very interesting point of Ledger Nano X is that even if your computer gets hacked, I mean, even if your computer gets some kind of virus or stuff like that, your coins will be safe inside the wallet. That's because the wallet never really communicates with your computer, so the hacker cannot get access to your funds, because to confirm a transaction, to confirm that you want to withdraw your funds, you need to press two physical buttons that are in the device, I mean the physical device. So even if you get virus, even if your computer gets hacked and a hacker can get access to your files, this hacker will not be able to get your funds because it's isolated. And like I said before, your private key never goes online and this device never really communicates with the computer. So to confirm a transaction, you will need to put your PIN number, and also you will need to press the physical buttons in your Ledger Nano X. So this is by far the best option to store your cryptocurrency. I will leave the links in the video description right below this video that you are watching right now in this channel, Bitcoin is Simple. Also, please be careful with comments posted by other people because you cannot be sure that they have good intentions to help, and maybe they are posting fake versions of websites in the comment section, so be careful with that and only trust the description box below this video that you are watching right now. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because we are posting many videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Also stay tuned because I will be posting my own review of the Ledger Nano X. I've ordered myself a Ledger Nano X, so I will be posting a video review about my Ledger Nano X. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and see you next time.
Crypto is the easiest asset in the world to steal. Ledger's mission is to bring security to crypto owners. We believe crypto security should be accessible whenever you want, wherever you want. We are proud to introduce our latest generation hardware wallet, the Ledger Nano X, keeping your crypto secure everywhere. It features Ledger's most advanced security architecture with a state-of-the-art secure chip. The true revolution of the Nano X is mobility. It features Bluetooth. Thanks to the Ledger Live mobile application, you can now safely manage your crypto on your iOS or Android smartphone. We have listened to your feedback. With the Nano X, you can now store up to 100 applications at once. To enhance user experience, we have increased the device screen size, improved navigation, and added a control center where you can easily manage all your settings. The Ledger Nano X is the culmination of months of research and development from all the Ledger teams. We are extremely proud and excited to share the results with you. Crypto is global. And now, with the Nano X, Ledger brings security everywhere you go.
Ledger Nano X. Keep your crypto secure everywhere.